thumbnails, and if you want to learn how to create a thumbnail like this, you have to wait to the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my page. And if this content is something you look forward to or having all the time, please feel free to subscribe. Welcome to my page once again. So to create a thumbnail like that doesn't take much time, and it's totally free. What you want to do is go to Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark, it's a free website where you can get free pictures and free stock photos for free, though they have a premium plan. But if you want to sign up for the free version, you totally are allowed to do that. So I'm gonna go on my project now. This is the current thumbnail that I created for you guys for this project. So I'm gonna remix this one right here so it looks exactly like this, and it's gonna take me roughly about three minutes, and it's absolutely free. And if you need this file so you can edit it for yourself, feel free to mention that in the comment below. So here is an image. I designed this a few weeks ago. So what I'm gonna do is there's some elements I don't need. I'm just gonna click on them, and I'll just delete them. I'm just gonna leave this text somewhere here because I'll still have to use that, and I'll delete this, the sun, I don't need that, and take this cup over here and delete the pencil, delete this arrow, or delete this too, and until I'm gonna convert my text, double click on it and say 2 minutes, make this thumbnail. So look at that font, it's not engaging. So you want to use a font that is bold and that engages your viewers. So I'm going to use Nexo Rust. Okay, that didn't work for some reason. So where is Nexo Rust? This is it right here, and I'm just gonna increase make it about 100 for the font size, and here we have that. So and so 2 minutes to make this thumbnail. They'll have that. And for this arrow, we're gonna put it right here, and there's a lot of free space here. So what I want to do is I want to go to my design assets, and there's elements, and I click on this yellow arrow right there, and then I want to bring it all the way to the right side or left side of the image, and I'm gonna rotate it right, and there we have that. So I'm just gonna delete that, and so here we have the design asset, and I'm gonna increase it just to make sure it fills the screen. And I know there's a lot going on, so I'm just gonna close that, and just increase it one more time, right? Let me see if this works. And okay, so I'm gonna, you don't have to pop up all the time. So today we'll have that, and maybe I'm just gonna reduce it a little bit. I will increase it a little bit now, right? There you go, and I'm gonna just print that right there. I don't know if that's how it looks, but yeah. And So we can see that the beautiful girl in the picture is too centralized. So I'm gonna push her the all the way to the edge. So what I'm gonna click on background, and it says image, and now it's movable. I'm gonna close that and just okay, move freely. Right, right. So that's how far it can move. So I guess we'll just have to leave it that way. I can bring her all the way down, and maybe I'll just reduce this text a little bit. Right, so there you have that. So what you want to do next is click on download and PNG and download that. And if you go to your download folder, you see that you have that. Look at that. So that's how you make that thumbnail in 2 minutes. So if you like this content, if it's something you want to have all the time, please feel free to subscribe to my page, like and leave a comment in the section. Let me know your thoughts. Okay. See you guys